Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Vincenzo's easy tomato sauce. First, let's prepare our base. You'll need 2 bottles of good Italian passata and plenty of fresh basil. For the sofrito, finely chop about 1/4 of an onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery branches. Now, heat 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a medium saucepan. We want a gentle heat to slowly cook our vegetables and build a rich flavor. Now, add your finely chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the warm olive oil. Cook this sofrito gently for about 10 to 15 minutes until it softens and becomes aromatic. Next, pour in the 2 bottles of Italian passata, stirring everything together until it's well combined. To enhance the flavor, add 2½ pinches of rock salt and 2 pinches of dried mixed herbs. This combination creates a truly authentic taste. To achieve the perfect consistency, add 1 glass of water to your sauce and give it a good stir. Place the lid on the saucepan and let it simmer on a medium-high heat for about 40 minutes. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. It's important to stir the sauce every 5 to 8 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Patience is key for a delicious result. Once your sauce has simmered for 40 minutes, remove it from the heat. Now for the final touch. Tear a generous amount of fresh basil leaves and gently stir them into the warm sauce. The residual heat will release the basil's beautiful aroma without cooking it. This versatile sauce is perfect with your favorite pasta, as a base for pizza, or even as a delicious dipping sauce for crusty bread. Enjoy your authentic homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.